We'll guide you through how to improve Wix security. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix dashboard and head over to the Site Actions menu. You'll see an option to Manage Site. Click on that. Once you're in the Site Manager, look for the Security tab. This is where you can start enhancing your site's security features. One crucial step is to enable HTTPS. If you haven't done this yet, it's essential for encrypting communications between your site and your visitors. In the Security section, look for the SSL certificate option and toggle it to ON. This will automatically secure your site with HTTPS. Next, you need to set up two-factor authentication for your Wix account, which adds an extra layer of security. Go to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select Account Settings. In this menu, locate two-factor authentication and follow the prompts to set it up, typically involving your phone number or an authentication app. Another important step is to regularly update your site and apps to the latest versions. Wix often releases updates that include security patches, so keeping everything updated helps protect against vulnerabilities. To check for updates, go back to the Site Manager and choose the Manage Apps section. Here you can see if any of your apps need updating. Finally, it's wise to regularly back up your site. In the Site Actions menu, you'll find the Site History option. Here you can create a backup of your current site version. It's a good practice to do this before making significant changes, so you can easily restore your site if needed. Remember, security is an ongoing process, so keep an eye on your settings and updates. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.